everyone, this is Aleli and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my BTS Army Bomb version 3 light stick. Probably you're going to tell me, yeah, the Army Bomb has been released like years ago, but you don't know what I've been through just to get this. So in the Philippines, we usually buy our K-pop stuff from group orders, okay? And I've tried to buy one from so many GOs, but they turn out to be scams, so I either had to cancel the orders or I just had to get a refund, and so that's what happened. Congratulations to me! I already have my Army Bomb version 3. However, it's not enough that you have your BTS Army Bomb version 3 with you. You have to know if you have the original, the authentic one. Okay, so Seoul Stop, my group manager, from whom I bought my Army Bomb, made a checklist on what to check in order to find out if you do have the authentic Army Bomb. An original Army Bomb's box don't have vertical lines running across it. Okay. Yeah. I don't see any lines, so yes, check. It's original. What I like about this box is its color combination of black and silver. It looks really expensive. Don't you think so? Let's take a look at the sides. Okay, the side where the specifications and features are indicated. Also, the barcode and the hologram seal.
BTS official light stick version 3, and the front again.
The thing that I like about this box is its thickness and sturdiness. So when you tap on it, it makes like this nice sound. It just means that they use a very good quality cardboard or something, so that's really good. An original Army Bomb version 3 light stick doesn't come in a plastic bag. Okay. So let's find out if there is a plastic bag.
Oh, it's gonna hide open. Alright.
Let's see. Voila! It doesn't come in a plastic bag. Yay! Check!
Wow!
Yay! Okay, this is the Army Bomb. According to the checklist, the Army Bomb should be not too transparent, so you can hardly see anything inside, so that should be a check.
Alright. Oh, I think this is the bag where you put the Army Bomb in. Photo cards.
Okay, so according to the checklist, if your Army Bomb is original, the first picture in the stack of cards should be Namjoon's. It's Namjoon, so check. And also, the tone of the picture should be on the yellowish side or on the warm side. Check.
Okay, so this is the barcode for big hit points.
Okay. Let's check the cards. Alright. Wow. I also want to add in about the quality of the photo cards. Okay, so according to the checklist, if your photo cards are from the genuine set, they should be thick, around 300 GSM, and these cards are pretty thick. And of course, you have to look at the quality of the print. So, nice print. Oops, I think I forgot something inside.
Oh,
It's the instruction manual. BTS official Lightstick version 3.
hmm. Okay, so the instructions are in Chinese, Japanese.
Alright, so let's now put the batteries in the army bomb.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, so don't do what I'm doing right now. I'm using cheap batteries because there are no expensive batteries around here. So if you do have money and you have time, buy good quality batteries such as Energizer or Eveready. So you need 3. Okay, that's... Oh, it's lighting up already. Okay.
Then twist the cover back in.
Oh, right away? Check. If you can see it, the line, it's off, and then if you pull it up to the O, it's turned on, and the bottom part is for Bluetooth connection.
This is keep. This is slow. Quick. And flash. And finally, dimming. Ah, cool.
First thing that you need to do is to download the BTS official Lightstick application, which I have. Okay. Turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. In some cases, you also have to turn on the location of your mobile phone in order for your army bomb to find your app faster. So I already have. Okay, and then we just have to turn on the Bluetooth of our army bomb. So sorry about my nail, my thumbnail. I just recently voted and they put ink on my thumbnail. So I'll put the nudge down. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's go to the BTS official Lightstick application now. Okay. So wait.